Hello and Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Farooq Shazia. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing how to give oil and service to a sewing machine. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and share with your family and friends. We need a cloth, a screwdriver, a cotton bud, a lint remover brush, sewing machine oil, and an old toothbrush. We need to remove this extension. I am removing the foot. I am using the screwdriver to take the whole foot out. And now I am going to remove the needle, and it will remove with this screw. We need to take this plate off. That screwdriver cannot work on these screws. I will use this bobbin to lose these screws, and I am going to use this little piece of screwdriver too. There is a lot of lint inside the plate. I am using brush to clean it. There is a lot of lint in this area. I am going to use both brushes to clean it nicely. Now I am taking bobbin case out. We can open this area easily. There are two clips. Just move them. It will come out. I am cleaning that one. I am using brush and cloth to clean it. There is another one, and I'm cleaning this one too. Carefully clean all the inside area that you can reach easily. Now I am going to clean the top area. It will open with this screw that is on the back side. I'm cleaning it. I'm cleaning all the top area with the brush very gently. Now I'm going to change the bulb. Just unscrew it and it will come out. Now I am putting the new one in. I turned it on and it's working. I'm going to oil this part where metal touch the metal. Just few drops of oil. And spread it with the cotton bud. Now I am going to put some drops of oil at the bottom part and run the machine a little bit. And then I open bottom part. I put some drops of oil in this area and run the machine a little bit. Then oil can spread. Now I am going to put everything back at the right place. This side of the piece is outside because clips will fit here and this side will fit at the bottom. Now I am going to put this plate on and I'll put the screw on. There is a lever on the foot. With this lever, you can change the machine foot. Now I am going to put the foot back. Now I am putting the top part back. Needle will go back too. The straight part of the needle will be at the back. It's all done. See you in the next video. Bye and Allah Hafiz.